Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make a last-minute Valentine card. And I have a tablet of this colored paper, and I folded a sheet in half, and then I cut it out. And I cut a smaller piece in black, and I made sure it was just slightly larger than my white, just so that it would frame it. And you can stick these together with glue sticks or double-faced tape. I position this in the center of the card, and I'm just going to use my glue stick. And I'll stick that down. And then I'll stick my white section on top. I have a piece of cereal box cardboard, and I'm just going to draw a bird. So just do the beak first, and it's just a round section like this, and then it comes down like this, and it joins up. And I like the bird's body to be a little bit rounder, and then to do the wing, it's just a smaller version of that. So then I cut these out, and I had my pattern, and then I put my pattern down and I drew it around it in two different directions on some white cardstock. And now I'm going to cut that out, and I want the black line to show, so I'm just going to cut around it so that I have my black line showing. And I have my two birds and the wings cut out, and these will go like this. And I like to put the wings up like that. And then I folded just a piece of scrap paper in half, and I cut the shape of a heart. And I could use that to trace around a red or a pink. And I think I'm going to use the red today. I'm going to go ahead and glue these on. And I have a sheet of stick-on rhinestones, but if you don't have those, you could put the eyes on with a permanent marker. So I'm just going to stick these little rhinestones on. And there you go. My little Valentine is ready to go. And then you can go ahead and write Happy Valentine's Day. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make this quick and easy last-minute Valentine card. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.